They say the mountain is the top. I say that just scratch the surface. Yeah, we started at the bottom with no option but to go up. You know what hurt is? When you growing up with no love. When you knew how to die before you learn to hug. When you fall in the street or you pull the gun.
Yo guys, what's good? Your boy Stixie back here. Hope you guys have been well. Hope you guys have been doing great. As you guys know me, I've been well, I've been great. Guys, first of all, happy Saturday. I just finished a track session with our team and honestly it was nice. So yeah, now I'm heading home, so let's get into this video. If you guys are ready, let's get into this video. Let's go.
I will always return. So it seems that you hold my heart. So turn off the light and take me away. I'm bound by your chain. Just break my chain. No matter how I wish this would end, no matter how I wish we could part, to your side I will always return. And so it seems that you hold my heart. So turn off the lights and take me away. I'm bound by your chain.
Hey you guys, would you please do your boy Stixie a favor and subscribe to the channel and join the family? As you guys can see, 63% of you are not subscribed, so please join the family. Let's go.